So the last 6 months have been the most difficult time in my life. Unfortunately, my mother passed away in October. If it wasn't for Wai Lana Yoga, I don't know emotionally how I would be today.
I teach 2.5 to 3-year-olds, and I nanny for a family of 4 on the weekends. And I also babysit for 22 different families. So I'm constantly with children, which I love. And I know that when I do Wai Lana Yoga in the mornings, I find that I have more patience.
Wai Lana helped me train for the 3-mile race with 25 obstacles, and I was able to complete it for the first time last year, and this year I'm doing it for the second time, and I already know that I have the strength that I need to have for it.
It has been my life's honor to help others find their own path to inner peace. Yoga is a complete way of life, where every aspect of our existence comes together in harmony.
Wai Lana, the host of the world's most watched yoga program, has instilled each episode with clear and practical yoga instructions. Having impacted millions, Wai Lana returns, lending a lifetime of expertise on how an authentic yoga practice can provide deep meaning and purpose in life. Television programming not to miss.
When I'm in front of the programming, I see beautiful scenery. I see a relaxed, kind, gentle person who truly cares about what I'm about.
If you do Wai Lana Yoga at the best times of your life, but also at the worst times of your life, that's when you have the most profound experience with Wai Lana Yoga. I thank Wai Lana Yoga from the bottom of my soul, because I know without Wai Lana Yoga, I couldn't function at this point in my life.